Performance from Oracle, in your mind, does that cement the idea that investors are going to put money in the AI trade? Or do you think today, for Oracle and some of these other names, is it more of a one-off, and do we go back to the broadening?
I think it's just yet another confirmation that the AI revolution is alive and well. We learned from NVIDIA about the growth in their data center business. Now we're hearing from Oracle about the growth of their cloud business. 1,000% revenue growth. That's pretty good, Frank. I think what it tells investors is that the AI road is going to be a long one, and you're going to have to be patient to see returns on investment over time, because all of the action is taking place right now in terms of AI infrastructure development, and companies like Oracle, NVIDIA, and data centers are also standing to benefit from that.
I think that leads us to your word of the day.
Yes.
It is construction. And you're talking about construction of data centers and other support for this AI build out, and this well, it could be an AI revolution, I guess.
Yes. So Jensen Huang just recently forecasted that AI infrastructure investment could reach between 3 and 4 trillion with a T by the end of this decade. We also know how important AI investment has become to our economy, as data center investment has matched the contribution of consumer spending to GDP over the first half of this year. Consumer spending used to account for about 70% of our GDP. Now, all of a sudden, AI infrastructure investment is catching up. So that's where you want to look to position your portfolio to take advantage of all of that spending.
And that's what you're doing. Your pick first today is MCore.
Yes.
It's a company focused on building data centers and kind of that whole build out. But the thing I want to talk to you about is the valuation.
Yes.
It trades at about 21 times forward earnings. Why is that important?
So that seems pretty attractive to me, right? If you look at the S&P 500 right now, it's trading at a current P of around 24 and a half. That's above its 5 and 10-year averages. So if you can invest in a company like MCore, which I consider to be data center in a box, if you will, whose stock's up roughly 37% year to date, over 76% over the last 1 year, that's pretty attractive. Right. And let's not also forget that as of September 22nd, they're going to be included in the S&P 500 index.
All right. By the way, our system has 24 times forward earnings, but in your mind, still reasonably valued.
Still reasonably valued.
Really quick, expectations for CPI, does it lead us, and PPI today, does it lead us to a 25 or 50 basis point cut? You got to make it quick.
25 basis point cut. I think that job revision that we saw yesterday leads the Fed to be on track for a cut in September and another one in December.